Hello, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my she shed again. I have quite a few projects in mind at the moment, so I'll be doing small videos and showing you all the different little projects that I'm doing. Today, Mr. B got this, it was rubbish from a job 3 or 4 years ago. He just liked it because at the time he was 53. Our house is number 10, so it doesn't quite work. We live on the end of a private road, so people seem to be having an issue in finding us, special because all the houses on the private road, they all have nice mature front gardens, so they can't see the house number to work out that we are number 10 on the very end. So my plan is I'm going to reuse this. Obviously this is cast iron and I can't take this off, although I have tried to chip the numbers out. It doesn't work. So I'm going to turn it around, I'm going to spray it again, and then I'm going to paint number 10 on it with white paint. So let's do this. I'm going to use a mask because Mr. B have been telling me off that I'm using spray paint without a mask. He's telling me that I'm very naughty. So I will be using a mask to do this. So, second stage of the plate number I'm doing. A few weeks ago I got this lovely set. I think it's in Aldi. It's actually a artist paintbrush set. Mr. B tells me off, he says I'm addicted to brushes and I always want to buy more brushes. But I think they come very handy, so I'm going to use one of them today. And I'm going to try and write number 10, very neat, but I'm rubbish at it. So this is just standard leftover paint I have in the she shed. Says in there is interior and exterior wood and metal, quick dry gloss. I don't particularly want the gloss, but I'm sure the gloss will wear out pretty quick outside in the Lancashire weather. I think this is the best I can do, really. I'm not very good with the writing and numbers. I'm really not good at it. I'm working on it, I'm trying. But anyway, just, you know, I think we'll do the job. And hopefully people will be able to find our place easier from now on. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.